In this video, I will show you how to connect Phantom Wallet to Coinbase. And what this basically means is depositing and withdrawing from Coinbase to Phantom Wallet and the other way. And first I'm going to show you how to deposit money from Coinbase to Phantom Wallet, and after I'm going to show you the other way around. And we're going to start off from our Phantom app, and here we're going to click on Receive. And in here we're going to select the crypto or currency that we want to transfer between Coinbase, and I'm going to choose for Solana. And in here we see a QR code and we can copy the wallet address, and that's what we're going to do. And this is what we're going to paste in Coinbase. So we copy the wallet address to our clipboard, and now we are opening Coinbase. And from our Coinbase app, we're going to click on Transfer, Send Crypto. And in here we need to paste the wallet address that we just copied from Phantom Wallet. And when you do this and you click on this little thing below, you will see this. And in here it will recognize Solana. So you're going to click on Solana in here. And here you can enter the amount that you want. So I'm going with €1. And when you want to finalize this transfer, you're going to click on Preview, and then you will be redirected, and then you can click on Confirm. And that is how you deposit money from Coinbase to Phantom Wallet. So for the other way around, we are going back to the Coinbase home screen. And right now we're going to click on Transfer again, but now we're going to click on Receive Crypto. And in here, we're going to click on Solana, as this is also the one that we're going to select in Phantom Wallet. So we click on Solana. And in here, we can see another QR code and a wallet address. And we're already going to copy this to our clipboard because this is the wallet address that we're going to paste in Phantom Wallet. So we're going to open Phantom Wallet. And from Phantom Wallet, we're going to click on Send. And here we're going to select Solana. And right now, we're going to paste the wallet address from our Coinbase. And now we click on Next. And now you can enter the amount of Solana that you want to transfer between Coinbase. So I'm going to go with $1, and I'm going to click on Next. And right now you can click on Send, and then your transfer will be made. And this way you will deposit money from Phantom Wallet to your Coinbase. And this is the other way around. So thank you for watching. Subscribe.